Hello folks, how you going? Skypilot here. If you've just seen the video of the Flywoo Explorer with my Lion pack in it, this is an updated video. Anyway, I've come out here to a nice open area and I'm going to give the Flywoo Explorer long range a nice little workout with my Lion 18654S on the roof and just check out that flight time. I've also got the Shadow Fiend here, which I'm trying to link this up to some satellites, but I must be in a satellite depleted area because I'm having a little bit of trouble, so we'll see what's going on with that one. Okay, we got 6 satellites now, so I'll just take off my Find satellite battery, stick on the Lion, take straight off, see how we go. Should be good. Standard kit here guys, Radio Master. I've got the patch on the front here, TBS, and a AX Lumineer double header. As we're not above water or anything dodgy today, I will do a return to home fail-safe trip and see how that goes. Should be good. Excellent, 11 satellites. Let's take off and let's check out that 18650 Lion pack. It's funny, the battery meter just drops straight down the second you take off. Okay, home distance, altitude 16 meters, 128 meters from home, 2 minutes flight time. I will push this until I get a ion battery warning. I'm going to take it really easy though, as you can tell. No flips or tricks today guys. Just have to remember where I'm facing. Because as we know, these patch antennas are really at their optimum when you are looking directly at your quad. Still going fairly well. Let's get a little bit more altitude. This is going to be my return to home altitude, nice and safe. 100 meters. It's going to give me a warning saying it's too high, which is fair enough. Just go down a little bit. I'm cruising at 50 kilometers an hour, so nearly at a kilometer away guys, so that's pretty good. Everything so far looks to be okay. 12 satellites. Let's just drop it down a little bit more. I'm pretty sure we're starting to get a bit of break up now. Okay. Just go a little bit higher. I'm pretty happy with that guys. So that's 1.3 kilometers away for the Flywoo. 800 milliwatt VTX, so you can see the arrow. I'll just put the arrow where I am. I'm right over there. Pretty cool. Just move my head around a bit, see if it picks things up. I might just move over here by this track, see if I can get a little bit more range. I really want to go for 1.5 kilometers guys. I just need to know where I am should I fall out of the sky and I initiate my failsafe. Okay, I'm just up by that track. I don't know where my GPS coordinates have gone. They should be on the screen. Hopefully they'll be on the Failsafe screen when I have some trouble. I know I'm flying a little bit high, but I need to clear those trees. Oh, 1.3 kilometers away. I think there are some power lines here. Oh, crikey, I forgot about them. Yeah, okay, let's head back over here. Yeah, there are some power lines here. That's why I'm a little bit high, guys. I don't want to go near the power lines. I'm cruising along really well, actually. I'm really happy with that. I do need this altitude to clear those trees for my line of sight. I'm not going to push it any further. I think it got to about 1.3. Around the 1.3 mark, so kilometers, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm right over there. And of course we're getting that break up as we're facing the other direction, which is always the case with these quads. Now I'm going to initiate a failsafe here, guys, and see how she goes. Okay, so our failsafe is here. I'm going to pretend I have completely lost my VTX, which I haven't, and I'm going to hit the failsafe switch, which is here.
Return to home.
Return to home. I have let go. I will keep looking through my goggles. I just want to see what it's doing, because it's, yeah, over a kilometre away. I'm not going to be able to see much. So it should climb to, well, not climb, I'm already really high. Gee whiz, it's climbed up to 158 metres. Oh dear. Maybe that was the highest altitude I reached. Alright, so anyway, it's going to cruise back at 140 metres, so we're 900 metres from home now, and she's cruising back nicely. 13.7. Flight time so far, guys, 7 minutes, pretty good. Total distance covered 3.4 kilometres. As I said, I'm going to keep running this until I get my lie on warning. VTX, really nice. This is a great little unit, this Flywoo. As I said, 600 milliwatt VTX. Now I can hear it. Let me just drop my goggles down. So the idea with this, guys, is you basically wait for it to come to you. And I can't see it yet because I'll put my goggles back on. I'm 140 metres up. Crikey. Where is it? And it will slowly start to descend to the home location. It won't do it fast, it is quite slow, so you do have a little bit of time to get yourself a drink or have a sandwich. I can hear it, but I can't see it yet. I can hear it coming. Where the heck is it? Altitude 129. Okay, it's up there, guys, that's for sure. So I shall turn my, oh, don't look down to the ground, turn off my failsafe, regain control, and we have safely returned our quad to home without losing it. And I am right there. Welcome back. Okay, excellent. -10-minute flight time. We're getting fairly close now to our power supply depleting. Thought it would last a bit longer this, I'm not too sure. I did charge my Lions, I believe, properly. I didn't charge them at too high a rate. I thought they'd last a bit longer than this. Anyway, 10 minutes in the sky is not too bad, although I get about 8 minutes with my 4S 850, so interesting. Maybe I do need to do some more investigating. Remember where I am. I do know people say you must be really gentle on the sticks if you wish to get that 25-30 minute flight time, so maybe that's my problem. A bit too aggressive on the sticks, not sure. Run this down to about 12.3, I believe I've set it to. You can run the Lion batteries a little bit lower than your standard lipos, for sure. And we're about to have a battery warning. Yeah, 12-minute flight time, okay. Okay, there's our low battery warning. Time to land. I thought I would have got a bit more time with that battery. If you guys have got any explanations yet, I'd love to hear them. As to my battery longevity, Flywoo Explorer stock standard. Still. Yeah, 1.7 kilometers. I did actually go right up over that hill. That's why my altitude, thank you, that's why my altitude was quite high. And I can see the power lines from here, so I couldn't actually see them while I was flying, so I was a little bit worried. Anyway, 100 meters is well and truly high enough to clear them. Flywoo Explorer, great little fun. I'm going to chuck on my 4S now, find some water, and I'm going to have another fly. Thumbs up guys, drop me a comment. Good to see you. There goes the buzzer. Just turn that off. Smash that bell. See you next time. Take it easy. Bye for now.